let's learn how to solve this question from JEE Advanced 2012. We are given that for every integer n, an and bn are real numbers and f is defined this way. If f is continuous, then we have to find the relationship between a and bn or a and bn plus 1 and so on. So how to start solving this question? At first, we can observe that for any value of an or bn, this function is continuous in this interval and in this interval. And there is a possibility of discontinuity at the boundaries of these intervals. So we have to check whether the value of f is equal at the boundaries. And since it is continuous, so the values are equal, and using that condition, we can find the relationship. So let's start. First, let's write all the boundary values. The first one is when x equals to 2n, and the second is when x equals to 2n plus 1, and the third is when x equals to 2n minus 1. So when x equals to 2n, the value of function is an plus sine 2n pi, which is equal to an. And from the second condition, the limiting value of f, we will just write it fl, is equal to bn plus cos 2n pi, which is bn plus 1. And these have to be equal. So an equals to bn plus 1, and we get one relation. And based on this relation, we can see that option B is correct. Now let's check for x equals to 2n plus 1. We can see that the value of function at 2n plus 1 is equal to an plus sine 2n plus 1 pi, which is an. And to find the limiting value of f at 2n plus 1, we have to write n equals to n plus 1 in the second condition, because then x will belong to 2n plus 1 to 2n plus 2. And therefore, the limiting value of fl is equal to bn plus 1 plus cos 2n plus 1 pi, which is bn plus 1 minus 1. And therefore, finally, we have an equals to bn plus 1 minus 1. And this is another relationship, but this is not available in the options. Let's now check the third boundary value. So when x equals to 2n minus 1, we can see that the limiting value of f is from the second equation, which is bn plus cos 2n minus 1 pi, which is bn minus 1. And we can find the exact value at 2n minus 1 by using n equals to n minus 1 in the first equation, because in that case, x will be 2n minus 2 to 2n minus 1. And therefore, the value of f will be an minus 1 plus sine 2n minus 1 pi, which is an minus 1. And an minus 1 is equal to bn minus 1. And therefore, an minus 1 minus bn is equal to minus 1. And we can see that option D is also correct. And that's it. If you want to learn how to solve advanced JEE questions, consider subscribing this channel.